What's up YouTube, welcome to another video. Xiaomi India will be launching the Redmi Note 9 series tomorrow. Leaks surrounding it have revealed that it includes 3 devices such as the Helio G70 powered Redmi Note 9, Snapdragon 720 G fueled Redmi Note 9 Pro and another phone called Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. Among these, the Redmi Note 9 Pro has appeared in multiple leaks ahead of the tomorrow launch. A Vietnamese YouTuber shared some live shots of the smartphone. The new images have the first time revealed the front design of the Redmi Note 9 Pro, as it can be seen that the hardest is equipped with a top center punch hole like Samsung Galaxy S20 series. It is said that the phone features a 6.64 inch of IPS LCD display that produces a Full HD Plus resolution. The bezels surrounding the display are not as thin as the flagship model, but they are at the acceptable level. The top bezel of the phone houses the speaker. It is said to be equipped with a front-facing camera of 16 megapixels. The Redmi Note 9 Pro has a fingerprint reader embedded in the power button on the right side. The back panel of the phone has a square-shaped camera module. Recently, reports have been revealed that comparison of 48 megapixel main lens and an 8 megapixel of ultra-wide shooter, a 5 megapixel of macro lens and a 2 megapixel of a depth sensor camera. These images show that the phone is equipped with a dedicated micro SD card slot, whereas the bottom edge of the device has a 3.5mm headphone jack, a USB-C port and an external speaker. The Snapdragon 720G, which is only a bit weaker than the Snapdragon 730G powered the Redmi Note 9 Pro. The handset has reached a score of 274 plus on Antutu benchmark. The Note 9 Pro is expected to house a 5020 mAh of a battery that supports 18 watt of fast charging. The Redmi Note 9 Pro is expected to debut in two different variants. One is going to be 4GB RAM and 64GB of internal storage, and the other one is going to be 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The handset is speculated to be priced at around $192, and there is going to be 3 different colors which we are going to see in that particular device, and that colors could be aura blue, glacier white and interstellar black, or the rumored colored edition of Note 9 Pro. So these are the latest information which we got from GSM Arena and Gizmo Mobile from, and these are the latest leaks which are coming right now. So if you want to keep updated regarding that particular device, do consider subscribing my channel. Thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you in the next one. Peace out.